Hi there, Kirsten Ward here, and I am so glad that you've decided to join us for our 1099 Blueprint course. A little bit about me and my firm. I started my company, Bookkeeping for Contractors, in 2016. We service businesses throughout the entire United States on both commercial and residential projects for general contractors and subcontractors. We help business owners to manage things on the back end where they would be otherwise required to be behind a desk, and instead allow them the freedom and flexibility to be on the job site, feet on the ground, making sure things are running smoothly. We assist these business owners in preparing for 1099s by vendor tracking, for filing taxes by providing financial statements and making sure that everything is recorded accurately, as well as tracking their projects to ensure that they're on goal to meet their profit margins. While doing that, we also just try to provide whatever service is necessary to make their life easier, if I'm being honest. So let's go ahead and get started on the 1099 portion of things. The first thing that we're going to be going over is who receives a 1099. Then we'll be reviewing what information you need to gather in order to file your own 1099s, as well as what type of 1099 goes to different individuals depending on what you paid them for. We're going to be going over different ways that you can file 1099s via manual entry or electronically filing, as well as the different platforms that you can use in order to file your 1099s for your company. We'll be going over penalties from the federal government associated with late filing or negligent disregard, where you just choose not to file at all, and what the consequences or risks are by not doing that. We'll be going over tracking and recording payments to ensure that you know throughout the year how to be tracking certain payments to certain vendors and ensuring that you have the right numbers at year end. We're also going to go over common mistakes and questions that business owners have associated with filing their own 1099s, and then we'll be completing our closing remarks. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started.